Alright, we are here at the Heritage Apartments, and we are going to take a full apartment tour of this. So, as you can see, this is the building itself. Try not to show people. This is the building. That's a 3-story part. That's the actual 4-story part right there. That's the actual part of this. See, look, yeah. So yeah, you'll see this is the part right here. We're gonna take a ride on the elevator first.
Is there other stuff over here?
And it's locked.
What about your other stuff?
What?
What about your other stuff?
I have to get it next week.
We're gonna take a ride on the elevator first. And there it is. All this together. Please wear a face covering. Maximum 4 people in the elevator. Maintain 2 feet social distance.
See, that's the gym.
Oh, there's the fitness center right there. There's the elevator machine room. Let's start by going to 4 first.
Alright, I want to see the apartment shot, so.
Here we go. Here we are at 4.
Okay.
Can we get out and get a view?
What?
Let's get out and get a view. Let's get out and get a view right here. This is the view right here. Look at that right there. There's the view. Oh, there's our car right there. It's 29. Look at that.
I can't see.
That's where the other elevator is.
Okay, come on.
So yeah. Oh, there's
I want to take the stairs.
there's 2 apartments right there.
I want to take the stairs.
The stairs are all the way over there.
All right.
2.
Our room's on 2. I'm gonna get a video of just these elevators later, and the other one right there, and the one on the other side as well. I'll get a video of both of those. I'll get a video of both elevators here pretty soon. And this is it. Look at this. This is our apartment right here. We are in apartment 213. Can I? And there it is right here. It's actually one of the indoor apartments here. Where's the apartment? We don't know yet. Let's close the door. There's the elevator. There's the door. There's the lock. You can see it's locked now. You can see those network security. We don't know where this is. And look at this. We've got more of this right here. I'm taking a full tour of this. I'm filming a full apartment tour right here. This is a full tour of apartment 213. Let's take a look over here. And it's just a laundry room. The microwave, refrigerator.
See, look, come here. So here's your bathroom.
And I see
Let's take a test on how the sink goes.
What are you doing, Sean?
How do you do this?
Like this.
All right.
I know you what it is.
Huh?
I know what it is.
Let's take a look at in here.
That's me, Melvin.
Oh wow! Look at this.
Dad, so look at the closet.
What?
There's a hiding spot.
Look at that. This view is not as good as the one in 4. This is the bathroom. Commode's a premier. Let's see how it does when you flush. We're gonna flush it.
Oh, you want to see your views yet?
All right. This is a shower. This is mine. Close the door. Bam. Sheffield Williams. We've got the look at this. There's the view. There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
John, what do you think of your room?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Look at your
It's
bed.
really good.
Look at
It's
this
really
big
good.
Bed.
Boop, 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 boop.
What's the biggest bed you live? Now put some Yankee stuff out.
Here's the scorecard. I won Babe. It's number 60.
We'll finish that. It's not. I'm not done decorating it. That stuff.
We have this over here. We've got this is another room right here. Alexa, good evening.
Good evening. On this day in 1910, pioneering aviator Blanche Scott became the first woman to pilot a plane at a public event in America. She went on to become an accomplished exhibition pilot, known for
Another bathroom, another closet.
rudimentary biplane.
That's a kid. Why don't I have
Let's get a view. Nah. Nah. This is not as good of a view as the one on 4.
What do you think?
good?
Huh?
I'm hungry.
We gotta go shopping. I don't have our daily food.
You now have access to this apartment 24/7.
So, John, do you like it?
Yes.
Better than the other one?
Yeah.
Way better?
There's the Xbox right there. Xbox One. Daddy, am I allowed to ride the elevator again?
No, we're gonna go get some food.
Dad,
Sean, we're gonna get some food.
can I get a view of both elevators afterwards?
Start.
Daddy,
What?
can I get a video of both elevators afterwards? Dad,
Where's
What?
the dessert?
can I get a video of both elevators afterwards?
Afterwards.
Yes.
What are we gonna have for
I can get a
dessert?
video of both of them.
Yeah.
Daddy, yeah, I think there's 2 in here in this.
Daddy, what are we having for dessert?
What?
What are we having for dessert?
What do you have? What?
What are we having for dessert?
All right, that's it.